Hollywood totally botched a movie loosely based on the life of a famous hacker. In 2000, Skeet Ulrich played Kevin Mitnick in Takedown, a film that got everything wrong about the most famous hacker chase in history. Production was cursed from the start. Hurricane Bonnie hit during filming in North Carolina, destroying sets and equipment. The real Mitnick was still in prison and furious about how the script portrayed him as a villain. The film bombed spectacularly, making under $1 million at the box office. Critics hated it, and a documentary entitled Freedom Downtime was produced about a group of hackers who drive across the United States searching for Miramax representatives to tell them how flawed the movie was. The lesson? Sometimes the best stories are ruined by Hollywood's need for drama. The real Mitnick story was way more interesting.